Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to In the Kitchen with Leanna. I'm Leanna. Today we're having tacos for dinner, and just thought it would be a good idea to have banana bread, chocolate banana bread for dessert. Actually, I had rotten bananas. Well, they're not rotten, but you know how they get. It was time to do something with them, so banana bread it is. So let's dive right in. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to take a cup of flour, and a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to whisk those together. Okay. And now we're going to take a half a cup of melted butter, and we're going to put it in a different bowl. And we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And we're going to whisk it until a thick paste forms. I've never made this recipe, so I'm referring to my little recipe. And then we're going to add in 3 mushed up bananas. Okay. Half a cup of sour cream. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, that's pretty well mixed up. Then we're going to add eggs one at a time. I got 2 eggs. Add them one at a time. And the second one. Okay, and then we're going to dump the dry ingredients into there. Mix some more. Okay, and your batter is going to be slightly lumpy because of the bananas. And then we're going to, excuse me, I should have read this first. Okay, now we're going to add a cup of regular chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and a quarter of a cup of the mini chocolate. I'm thinking this is going to taste really good because Leanna loves chocolate, unfortunately.
Be really good for the diabetes.
Yeah, it's really good for my diabetes.
Good thing you had your blood work done today, huh?
Okay, and I'll be right back. I'm going to take a 5x9 bread pan, and I've lined it with parchment paper so it'll make it easier to take it out. You know what that's like. I'm just going to pour it in there. Okay. Alright. Then I've got just some leftover of the bigger chocolate chips. I'm just going to sprinkle on the top. Just because. Let's put them all on, right? Okay, and there we have it. We're going to cook it for 50 to 60 minutes, depending on your oven. And after it's done cooking, I will bring you back to see the finished project.
Does it smell good in here?
Okay, so it took about maybe 70 minutes to do this. And it looks so good and it smells so good. It's going to sit here in the pan for 10 minutes and then I'll take it out, put it on a plate. So I hope you'll try this. I can't imagine it not tasting good. It just smells incredible. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And ring the little bell thingy. Smash that like button. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much and God bless.